Have you seen them anywhere? What? They got away? How the bloody hell did you lose them? Damn it. Well, this is gonna be a rough night. No. They won't be escaping England. They have no boat. One of the ones they had blew up, and the other, well, he's in prison. Alright. I don't know about you, Graham, but we cut it pretty close there. Yeah, thanks to your stupid oil leak. Hey, that was your oil leak, not mine. No, it was yours. Oh, are you... Okay. Listen, the important thing is, we got everybody out. And now, we're free. Not exactly. We're still stuck in England. That won't be too much of a problem. Oh, hey, Professor. How was the escape point? You know, as much as I don't really want to admit it, you guys really saved our asses back there. Good job on the escape plan. Well, it was the least we could do. Yeah, considering the cops never found us. Though there was that bar. Oh yeah, damn bar. But where did you manage to find we found one of the bombs under the racetrack that we were planning on using if things went south, and we decided to use it to blow up the prison. Hey, I'm impressed, alright? It's so good to be out of that stink hole. I already have so many traumatic memories to tell us there. Can't possibly be as traumatic as the guy who spray painted me, right? I mean, this is still stuck on me. Stubbs, quit your complaining. It doesn't even hurt anyone. Yes, it does! Enough! We're wasting some time here. What's that? What's what, Professor? Apparently, they're hosting a new version of the World Grand Prix. And they're using a different type of alternative fuel for this one. What are you thinking, Professor? I'm thinking that we finish what Axelrod started. He may not be with us right now due to being placed in solitary confinement, but we will finish what he started. For all of us lemons. But how can we? We're stranded here without a boat to save us. Acer, have I introduced you to my friend the helicopter? Helicopter? You know, now I think about it, wasn't there that one helicopter that basically captured McMissile during the World Grand Prix? Yes. And soon enough, you'll be arriving here. How do you know that? Because I've already sent out a message for him. How? Well, technically, I have not sent a message to him by using technology like what they call iPhones. Yes. How do we even use iPhones? I mean, we just use our tires and everything, and I don't even know how an iPhone works, but I'm pretty sure that any teenager nowadays would silence. Okay. Anyways, as I was gonna say, but there is the news station. Once my good old friend Harvey has seen the news, He'll be flying right here to England in order to save us. Oh. It's my laugh. Sorry. What? They escaped? I'm afraid it is so, Finn McMissile. Apparently, they had bombs placed around the prison, and they set off, and just like that, Professor Z was freed. Great. Hey, this wasn't the first time he escaped jail. He escaped once, and he escaped again, and surely we can catch him yet again. Yeah, you're right. So, how soon are you willing to get out there and search the streets of London? There's no way they're still in London. But they have no way of getting back to the oil rig. There's no way they could be there. Wrong. During the World Grand Prix, there was a helicopter that captured me. And if this is to be believed, that same helicopter is Professor Z's very own private helicopter. He will be using them to get back to the oil rig and to everywhere else until they have another means of transport, which they probably already do. I very much doubt that. My good friend, you have no idea who we are up against. These guys, these thugs, they killed my friend. You mean you think they killed your friend? What are you talking about? Finn McMissile. I think it's time that we finally told you the truth. The truth about what? Hey, I just... What the? Ah, Turbo. You were just the guy I was wanting to see. I'm sorry, did I just interrupt the conversation? No. You're perfectly fine. Look, I was just gonna ask about the engine parts and everything. That's something we can talk about another time. For now, I guess it's time to reintroduce you to Finn McMissile. But your body, like, it was crushed and everything. And Finn, I'm alright. There's no way. How? Your body. Finn McMissile. Okay. During your trip to the oil rig, I already knew you would be too late, so I sent some other agents on a private spy jet to go rescue Leland Turbo, and before they could crush them, they got to him just in time and managed to shut off the power, placing a red trunk off in his place and having him crushed instead. You didn't think I'd be able to save him? Well, I was proven right, wasn't I? I mean, he was just about to be crushed before those agents saved him, and you hadn't even made it yet to the oil rig yet. Nevertheless, there's a very important task at hand. But how come I didn't see him until just now? Because, McMissile, Leland Turbo was still being repaired, and, well, now he has finally been repaired to the point where he was able to return. But that is besides the point. Right now, we need you agents searching the streets of London. And I have 2 spare agents that will be going with you guys. So follow me. Come on, Finn.
So, let me get this straight. Chrome nearly went bankrupt in order to get you that engine transplant.
Yep. And boy, does it feel good. I mean, there's still some parts of my body that won't be able to work the same, but I can manage. Dude, you are a badass for taking that shot like a champ. Was it really as bad as the lemon said? Not really. I mean, yeah, it was deadly, but it wasn't deadly enough to just immediately kill me. It's just a good thing that those Chrome agents were there, or I would have been toast. Yeah. Dark night. Very dark night. Holly, Rod. Yes? These are the agents that will be working with you to solve this case. Don't let me down. Good luck. Well, well, well. So you're the real American agent that I've heard about. Yep, Agent Rod Torque Redline. Alright. You lost a mirror there. Yeah, that was what happened during the night at the Tokyo party. Thank you very much. I don't want to talk about it. Who's this, Finn? Oh, this is my old partner, Leland Turbo. He and I have always been very good friends. Yep, that is true. We go way back. Now, come on. This crime isn't gonna solve itself. And then I told him, your mother. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry, it was your sister. No, I can't tell them apart these days. Good one. Very good one, mate. Finn, are you okay? Apparently, Holly. Chrome didn't have faith that I would get there in time to save Leland, so they sent 3 agents on a spy jet to get to the oil rig and save Leland, and they did. Meanwhile, I just arrived there late and I wasn't able to save him in time. Finn, I gotta make this up. Which is why we're going to find those lemons. Come on, Holly. Finn, you see him anywhere? I don't see no boxes anywhere. Guys, what are we even doing here? Like, we're literally just looking for nothing right now. Well, I tried telling Sean that we should just take Sidley and go to the oil rig, but he believes that the lemons have no way of escaping London. That's because they don't, Finn. They have no boat. They're stuck here. Wrong. Holly, you remember the helicopter, right? Now that you say it, yes, I do. Then who's to say that that helicopter didn't come and pick up at least, like, oh, I don't know, 2 or 3 lemons at a time and bring them back to the oil rig? And now maybe they're all back there as we're speaking? You make a very fair point, Finn. That's a very fair point, but I don't see how we're going to get to the oil rig if we don't have our own spy jet. Rod, yes we do. What? You still had Sidley come over here? Yep. Dude, how do you still have your job? You know, I really don't know. I guess he just really likes me because I get all the missions done. Well, you are a pretty good agent, so yeah. Come on.